Hey guys, welcome back to my channel SuperWowStyle. This is Prachi, and in today's video I'm going to be trying out the Hair and Care Pro Blend Damage Repair Combo. It includes the oil and the shampoo, and in today's video I'll be sharing my first impressions with you all. Now before moving ahead, let me tell you why I'm so excited to try this out and how my hair is currently looking like. As you can probably already see, my hair is looking so dull, so blah, so unhappy, right? My hair is frizzy, the split ends are very visible. Also, when I comb through my hair, it actually breaks very easily. Now, all of these are very obvious signs of hair damage. Unfortunately, very common amongst all of my friends. I feel like almost everyone I know is going through the similar stuff, very similar stuff. And I know a lot of you will be able to relate to this too, right? You're going for all kinds of expensive professional treatments, but nothing seems to be working out for you. So, off late, you know what I have done? I have been actually researching a lot about ingredients, the science behind ingredients and how they work for your hair, because I am honestly tired of trying out things. Now I really want things to work for me. So I felt like going very ingredient focused is what's going to help me. And while doing my research is when I came across this range, and guys, let me tell you, this range sounds so promising. It actually contains the goodness of three powerful ingredients, including avocado, aloe vera, and olive oil. So avocado reduces split ends, aloe vera helps in dealing with hair breakage, and olive oil helps to tame all that frizz in the hair. So if I just talk about the ingredients, honestly this range sounds very promising, and if it does its job well, honestly this could really cater to my hair concerns very effectively. I was also very interested to see avocado being used in hair oil and shampoo. This is something that I have personally never seen before. So yes, super excited to try out this range. Let's go ahead and test it out. So I'll be testing out this hair oil and shampoo on only one side of my head. So starting with the hair oil, I'm going to first apply my regular hair oil that I've been using for the last couple of weeks on this side of my head. And then using the Hair and Care Pro Blend Oil on the other side. Like I just told you, I'll be doing that. And then moving to step number 2, which is obviously shampooing the hair. So on this side of my head, once again I'm using my regular shampoo, and then on the other side I'm using the Hair and Care Pro Blend shampoo. Now while my hair is still wet, let me quickly glide my fingers through and see how it works. So on this side, as you can see, my fingers are getting stuck. My hair is actually quite a tangled mess right now, and I'm not able to move my fingers much. Okay, on the other side, when I use the Hair and Care Pro Blend Damage Repair Combo, oh my god guys, I can already see the difference. Do you see? My fingers are just running through. It's not getting stuck anywhere. I don't feel any tangles. My hair is just so much better on this side. Okay, let me quickly dry my hair and show you the final results. And here it is guys, time for the moment of truth. I think if you look at the two sides of my scalp, the results pretty much speak for themselves. On the side where I used my regular hair oil and shampoo, my hair is still looking so dull, frizzy and so blah. On the other side where I used the Hair and Care Pro Blend Damage Repair Combo, my hair is looking voluminous, healthy and damage free. I am loving this. So let me just run my fingers through and see how smooth my hair is. So on this side, my hair actually feels very rough to touch. It also looks rough, right? It's messy and my fingers are obviously getting stuck, like you can see very visibly. On the other side, let me just glide my fingers through. Yes, it's still moving very easily. The hair also feels very soft to touch. It's silky. I am loving this guys. I am absolutely amazed. Alright, I also want to test this out for breakage, because hair breakage has been a big problem for my hair of late. So I'm just gonna grab this comb, and on this side first. Alright, so it's getting stuck, it's hard. And yes, that's the heartbreak, the breaking of hair. Okay, let's try this out on the other side now. And here it is, just combing through. Oh my god, it just glides. Even the comb just glides. It's very easy to work with. And of course, no hair breakage. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this on my full head and just get back to you with the final results. So starting with the hair oil, I love its fragrance. It's very pleasing, very calming on the senses. That definitely adds to the experience. My regular hair oil had no fragrance as such. Also, the texture is extremely lightweight, very non-sticky, very easy to work with. So I'm applying this all over my hair, all over my scalp, and I'm going to leave this on for a couple of hours before moving ahead and applying that shampoo. The shampoo, once again, the fragrance is really nice, very pleasing, very calming on the senses, unlike my regular shampoo which had no fragrance at all. The texture gives a nice lather while shampooing, and it's very rich, very creamy, very easy to work with again. Post shampoo, I'm going to go ahead and use that hair oil once again, but this time as a serum. Yes guys, just apply it on the lengths of your hair, and especially on the tips where the hair is most damaged and most dry. And now it's time for the final results. So let me show you what I have in here. A head full of happy, healthy, voluminous, soft, awesome, damage-free hair. Let me show this to you. Just look at my hair, okay? Do you see that shine? It's so visible even on camera. If I actually take a comb and just run it through the hair like this, do you see that shine? God, I've missed this feeling. The silky soft hair that you can't stop touching, can't stop flaunting. I have missed this feeling for the longest time. And to think of it, this is a range that I have literally just discovered. I don't even think we have unlocked its full potential, right? Because only once you start using something on a regular basis is when you see the best results. So I am so excited because this was unbelievable. Like when I saw the ingredient list, it contains all the right ingredients, right? I told you aloe vera, avocado, olive oil, especially avocado, something that I have personally never seen in any hair oil or shampoo before. So I was hopeful, but this is like magic. My hair has literally transformed. And going forward, I think it's safe to say I'm definitely continuing with this range, because if it can do this for my hair, I want my hair to look like this. So guys, what I'll do is I will put the links down in the description box below for this Hair and Care Pro Blend Damage Repair Combo. I definitely want you guys to check it out as well, because if it could help me, I feel like it could help anyone. It's such a fabulous way to get amazing hair sitting at home, no added effort. You're probably already using a hair oil, you're probably already using a shampoo. You just have to switch that up with this, because it contains the right ingredients, ticks all the right boxes. You actually get fabulous results. So yes, check out the links in the description box below, and if you have any feedback to share, anything to ask, please share your questions, your comments in the comment section below. I love hearing from you guys. Also, don't be stingy with that like button. Smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Hit that bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.